Good morning, Key West. Today is laundry day, so we're headed off to the laundry to do it. Alright, tide. Which one's the winner? Isn't this fun?
Even on vacation, he makes me do
it. Hello.
Hi.
How was that place?
It was good. I went to the Funky Chicken
Yeah?
coffee shop.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if the lady spoke a ton of English, but as I said, it's small.
Poquito. Hmm? Was it cute?
No, I don't think it was. I don't think she's Spanish. I think she was like Russian. I don't know. Something else. But it was cute. They had all kinds of like chicken related stuff to buy and cute Christmas tree ornaments.
Okay, we're gonna get some boat supplies at West Marine. Look at all these radios. There's ICOM. Look at that cool ICOM. It's cooler than ham radio. And then we have some Unitons and stuff. Standard Horizon. Look how fat it is. They're huge. I don't know if you can see them, but they're just swimming through. Alright, we're walking along the water. We're at this marina. There's all these boats. And the manatees are probably coming soon. Can't see them just yet, but they're headed in this direction.
And all those little fish.
Yeah. There he is again. It's cool.
What did the manatees eat?
Like a swarm of fish right here. I wonder if like somebody dropped fish food or something, or they just like to go in a little swarm. They're just swimming in a circle. Look at this one. Pleasure boats. This thing is giant. I know, it's crazy. Alright, then we have a boat here that's did the America's Great Loop. How cool is this? Latitude, gratitude, they are. There's our little dinghy. Ah. Hi. Here's our little dinghy, and then here's the back of their boat. And there's the fly bridge up there. How cool is that? Bad birds. They're trying to get stuff that he's cleaning. Besides the pelican, there's like a giant 4-foot fish in there. Crazy. There's one down here. You see its tail. Where else can we see one? Look how big. Oh my god. They're dolphin eating fish, or they're pelican eating fish. Maybe. That's crazy. Alright, we're at some little bar in downtown Key West, I guess. And here's our before pre-boating lunch. Stumbled into the Kino Sandal Factory. They make sandals here for super cheap. It's cute. Hey, we're on this boat that we have a glass bottom on apparently. And we're gonna go on a little trip up to a reef. And then
See some wildlife.
yeah, on the way.
You guys are now allowed to get up and turn the boat. If you're downstairs, you're more than welcome to go out front and get your Titanic picture. Just lift up on that door handle and push out. It's a beautiful day.
There is a deck
The small
out there.
basin we just
Yeah.
left sits between the Pier House and the Ocean Key Resort. These are two very popular places to watch the sunset. But perhaps the most popular place to watch the sunset here in Key West is Mallory Square. Mallory Square is coming up on our left-hand side. 365 days a year, weather permitting. Street here before departing for Havana, Cuba. It was unfortunately its last load of coal out. On the Havana Harbor, she mysteriously exploded. No group or organization has ever taken responsibility for that explosion, but it is believed to be the catalyst for the Spanish-American War. Now the second pier, it has the exciting name of Pier B, for reason along with the big cruise ship on it right here. In fact, it was here that the first cruise ship docked back in 1969. Mallory Square, Pier A, Pier B, and the Navy Mall that we will pass by here in a moment are all used by the cruise ship industry. On average, Key West plays host to about 10 to 15 cruise ships a month. Now, looking off toward the left-hand side of the boat, you're going to see a large open basin on occasion. Now, looking off toward the right-hand side of the boat, you're going to see some islands. And these islands, they go as far as the eye can see. It is a group of islands known as the Dry Tortugas. You guys may have heard of the Dry Tortugas before. Out there sits one of our national monuments, and that is Fort Jefferson. Fort Jefferson is a map. On the way out, I do have to be feeling the surface of the water. One at the top of the platform.
Yeah. You're gonna fall in. Way on the front of the boat.
It also feels less bouncy out here.
Yeah, it might. At least not right now. Bouncing around the boat. You can see stuff going by the glass bottom.
How was that boat ride out? Nice, huh? Did you guys see anything fun? Any dolphins? Any sea turtles yet? No, not yet. Maybe we'll get to see some on the way back in. Now the captain did mention this, and I just two bridges that brought you 110 miles from the mainland of Florida all the way down to this tiny little island of Key West. Now the island of Key West is only 4 miles long and 2 miles wide. And we just brought you another 6 miles out into the
Here's the lighthouse we were at yesterday. And the southernmost point is to the right of that bubble.
Take a walk up the 88 steps of the spiral staircase. Up to the top of the morning with a great view of beyond Key West and its surrounding waters. It is beautiful up there. There's a lot of history to it as well. Looking forward to the right of the cruise ship, you're going to see a bright red brick. That bright red brick.
Alright, this is the glass bottom boat that we went on, and we just parked. And we kissed the ground, didn't we?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
I love bars on the ocean,
How's come?
on open water. Because it's just fun and neat to watch the boats come in.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's the tug that's gonna
The guy.
yeah, it's the pilot boat, probably, I'm guessing. In all of my nautical experience. Watching a pair of YouTubers and being in a West Marine store for, how long were we in there for? 30 minutes? What cool sailboats.
Nothing.
What?
Oh, there he is.
All right, we're going to Key Lime Pie Company, as seen on CNBC, the Profit Food Network, and the Cooking Channel. What do you think?
Lives up to that reputation.
All right, Key Lime Pie Company. What do you think?
First observation is it's less green,
Hmm.
so maybe that means less artificial flavors.
Yeah, maybe. Let's try it. 15 seconds later, we're done with our slice of pie.
They don't give you big slices of pie here. These key lime.
What do you think about this slice?
It was very good. It's a different consistency, I think,
Yeah.
and not much of a crust. It's more of like just a crumbly,
Yeah.
crumble
It's like
layer.
a key lime delivery mechanism.
Yeah. Not even really.
Dirty Harry's clothes. We have this. We have this. So we're in like Two Friends something. That's what it looks like inside. What happened?
I don't know if they're papery or not. They feel papery.
It's like drinking from a fax. What did you think of Wicked Lick ice cream?
It was good. It's soft and fluffy, kind of.
Yeah.
And it had candied corns on it, which I really like.
Yeah, they were really good.